Hi, I'm Bruce Carlson, and I'm in the Department of Biology on the Danforth campus. In my lab, we study electric fish. These are fish that communicate with each other using pulses of electricity. And we take advantage of a number of unique aspects of this system to gain general insight into how nervous systems encode and process sensory information and how that relates to perception and behavior. We integrate across the fields of neuroscience, animal behavior, and evolutionary biology, and we use a wide variety of techniques. And we're interested in a number of specific questions, including how do sensory systems encode and process timing information? How do neural circuits evolve to give rise to evolutionary change in behavior? And how do changes in neural circuits within organisms lead to changes in behavior? How does synaptic plasticity drive changes in circuit physiology? And how does that impact perceptual learning and eventually behavior? We're also interested in the evolution of changes in brain size. We all know that human beings are known for having relatively large brains, but it turns out we're not alone. The fish we study also have extremely large brains, and they devote an enormous amount of their daily metabolic requirements to fueling that large brain. And so we're very interested in using them as a system to understand why large brains evolve and what are the underlying mechanisms driving these changes in brain size. And we also relate this to brain scaling, or how changes in brain size relate to changes in the sizes of all the various parts of the brain. And again, why do these changes evolve? And what are the underlying mechanisms driving these changes? My grad students have been very productive and accomplished. I've had 3 former PhD students who all published several papers in top journals and went on to postdocs at great institutions across the country. I have 2 current grad students. All of my grad students have been from the neuroscience program or the evolution, ecology, and population biology program, which underscores our integrative approach and the fact that everyone brings different expertise to the table and we all learn from each other, and this helps us come up with novel ways to get at some fundamental questions in neuroscience. And finally, we have fun. We have lives outside of the lab. So if you think you might be interested in doing a rotation with the lab, I'd love to chat with you. You can email me, you can find me on Twitter, we can chat during the Zoom meetings on Friday, or if that time doesn't work, we can set up another time to chat over Zoom. Best of luck in finding good rotations, and best of luck as you get started in your grad school experience.